Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today we are going to be DIYing these men's jeans that I got right here, and we're gonna be turning them into some nice little mid-rise because they don't go all the way up. Some mid-rise jean biker shorts. We're gonna rip them a little bit more, and yeah, just stay to watch to see how I get them. All right, let's get into the video. So let me quickly mention, I forgot to mention the size that I got. So I got a 32W, and these are called the skinny stretch low rise slim hip skinny leg stretch denim from Forever 21. And let me just say that these run small, so I wouldn't try to order them online. I had gotten these for my little brother, who is a true 32, and they didn't fit, and they are both skinny and they didn't fit on them, so that's why I'm taking them for me. I was like, why not make a great DIY project out of this? So, and by the way, what you're gonna need is a scissor and white pencil, just so you can mark where you want, like, to mark it even where you want to cut your jeans. Probably a needle and a thread. Let's see how this goes, or if not, if you have an iron, that works as well. So let's just get into it now. Okay, so this is how they fit right now. Before we do anything, I'm thinking I want to cut them like right here. I want to start off long and then kind of like work myself up, see where I want it to be. So this is how they fit. These are men's. I got no booty, so don't pay no mind to that. So let's see how we can transform. We have folded our pants like this, in this form, right? I'm gonna draw a line with this white eyeliner that I have. It's gonna come right off, so it doesn't matter. And I'm gonna draw a line right here, right in the middle of this rip right here. So just right here. And then it would then look like this. Now we're gonna take our scissors and we are gonna cut. One leg done. Now we're doing the next leg. Leg done. Now this is our shorts. Right here, I'm making sure that both sides are perfect, so I'm just going over it again and cutting just a little bit, tiny bit, making sure that it's perfect on both sides. Okay, so quick little check, and this is what they look like. No, I want them a little shorter, so I just drew another line right here. So we're gonna cut up to there again, or maybe up to here, and we'll see what they look like. Pull and tug a little bit on them. you know, just distress them a little bit. So this is what they look like now. Let's try them on again now. So this is what they look like now. I really, really love them. They look like this. Again, I don't have a lot of booty, so you know, don't mind that. I folded them right here just to like take away a little bit more from the edge, or just in case I wanted to, you know, make them long again, then this is what they will look like. But I'm thinking now doing like a little rip right here, so let's do that now. We are gonna just take our pants and I'm gonna cut right here, make this type of like cut. This is a horrible, to say the least. Oh wait, pull your pocket out so you don't cut through the pocket, because you still want that pocket. Well, for me, I still want it. But I'm just gonna do a cut right here. But I don't know why this thing is new, but it does not work for anything in the world. Okay, so we made a little hole. Now I'm gonna cut through it. Now I'm gonna make different sizes. So I'm gonna start with small, then large. So then we're gonna start to pick at this hole. Okay, so we just finished our small little hole. I mean, I was gonna make it bigger. Oh, my nail got stuck. I was gonna make it bigger, but I stretched it out and it kind of broke a little bit. So yeah, that's cool. If you want to make it bigger, you can make it bigger. But I remember making mine, like some other pants, bigger, and it kind of got like ugly after time. So I'm just gonna let it like just do its own thing as time goes, and I'm just gonna leave it like this. Now let's try it on one more time. Okay, so this is how they look. This is the rip. Now if you don't like to show skin, I'm gonna leave mine to show a little bit of skin. But if you don't want to show skin, you could also take that out. So you could just you know, tuck your hand in and then your pocket will be there. Or if not, you could just scrunch up your pocket upwards and, you know, you show a little skin right there. Super cute, super thick, like they look super good. And yeah, that is it. That is how we got our pants. All right guys, that's how I turned these pants. I mean, that's how I turned those pants into these pants. And you know, it was so super simple. Like all you needed was tweezers and a scissor, and that's about it. You have your biker shorts. And I mean, I did this number one because I already had the pants, and number two because I couldn't find ones that like I really liked, and like I just had these. They just happened to fit the way that I like them, and so I decided to cut them, and I like them. I like the end result. If you like the end result, let me know down below, and subscribe if you'd like to see more from me. There's a lot going on in this channel right now. I do whatever my mind tells me to do that morning. So this was literally a DIY that took less than an hour, you know, just because I wanted to make it perfect and because I was recording it. But if I was to do this alone, this would take me 5 minutes. So yeah, that is it, and I hope that you stayed to watch. I hope that you enjoyed it, and let me know down below what else you would like to see from me. And yeah, I hope that you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye 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 bye.